StudyMojo.com.
Next one is a problem based on the converse of BPT. The question is example 2. ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. With AB parallel DC. AB parallel DC. E and F are points on non-parallel sides AD and BC respectively, such that EF is parallel to AB. EF is parallel to AB. EF is parallel to AB. Show that. We have to prove that. Show that AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. BF by FC. The figure is trapezium ABCD. These two sides are parallel. AB and DC are parallel. Now EF is parallel to AB. EF. EF is parallel to AB. We have to show that AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. This is the thing which we have to prove. For that, we are joining the diagonal AC. Joining the diagonal AC. And let it intersect EF at G. Given that AB parallel DC and EF parallel AB, therefore AB parallel, EF parallel DC. These three line segments are parallel to each other. Join AC. Join diagonal AC. Now, in triangle ADC, let G be the point of intersection of AC and EF. Let G be the point of intersection of AC and EF. In triangle ADC, this EG is parallel to DC. EG is parallel to DC. Then by BPT. Basic proportionality theorem, we have AE by ED. AE by ED is equal to AG by GC. AG by GC. Equation number 1. Then there is another triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, GF parallel to AB. Because EF is parallel to AB. EF is parallel to AB. That is the reason. Then by BPT, we have CF by FB. CF by FB is equal to CG by AG. CG by AG. Taking the reciprocals, we will have FB by CF, that is FB by CF is equal to AG by CG. AG by CG. This is equation number 2. From 1 and 2 we are getting from equation number 1 and 2, we get the right sides are equal. Here the right side is AG by GC. Here also the right side is AG by GC. Both are equal. Therefore, AE by ED. AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. BF by FC. Hence proved. This type of questions are also good questions for the board exam. Okay, so note this type of problems and study very well. Here we are taking first of all triangle ADC and applying BPT, we get one relation. Then take the second triangle ABC, apply BPT, we get the second relation. From 1 and 2, the right sides are equal, therefore the left sides are also equal. That is the method we are taking here. That is AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. That we proved from these two results. Okay.